Good morning, people. If you remember, we made sauerkraut recently, and I want to show you guys what we should do every day. I have such stick. You can use anything, any chopstick. It smells already. It's already third day for my sauerkraut. So I just do this and a little bit move everywhere. If you can see, it has bubbles. See? That's gas. This fermentating process, and it makes gas inside, and we should let it go. If you won't do it, maybe your sauerkraut will be bitter or something like that. So we should do it every day until it's done. It will take maybe 7 days. And we put our heavy stuff back because our sauerkraut should be with juice on the top. Okay? Good luck.